Welcome to my project ideas. This is an ongoing series on ChatGPT, and in this video, we'll learn how to create a project in ReactJS using ChatGPT. So the very first thing we did is visited this particular portal called chat.openai.com/chat. The link will be added in the video description, and we asked ChatGPT how to do setup in Windows for ReactJS. So it has given me a few things here. So the very first thing that you need to do is to install Node.js. So to install Node.js, you can just Google it like this Node.js installation and visit this portal and download the Windows installer. That's it. Download it, install it. You're done with that. And then you need to have a code editor. Certainly, you need to have something called Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code or anything else where you can write code. In this particular video, we'll use Notepad++ or just Notepad. And then the third step it has given is like install Git. So certainly installation of Git is not required because we are not going to use Git for version control management as of now. And the third step is to create a React project. So till now we have not done any code. We have installed Node.js and we have created a folder for React.js. Here we'll write cmd command prompt and copy this code and just paste here and wait for the command to execute. So after a few minutes, the installation has completed. So the new project is created. And certainly the same commands that has been shared by ChatGPT is also shared by the Node.js installation. And it says we need to do cd my dash app. We have reached the my app location and do npm start. So it will start a server that will run my application in the browser, and that link will be shared with us. You see, we can use this link. You copy it and we'll open up a new tab. It opens like this. You see, so ultimately no code is written, so no profile is loading. So we'll go back to ChatGPT and we'll now ask ChatGPT to generate a React.js code for a beautiful portfolio website. So after some moment, the code is generated by ChatGPT, and it has also mentioned that this is just a basic example and you can add more functionality. So we'll just try to see what exactly happens. So I've copied the code and it has also imported something called app.css. I'm not sure what it means. Has it written any code here? No. Fine. So we'll go back to folder. Inside it, we'll go to source folder and inside it, we'll go to index file. And also we'll open up app.js file. You see, this is the one where the coding is written, right? So it has also imported React and all. So we'll just save it and you see this is created. Now the CSS is not there, right? So I can ask for above code I need CSS so that the website look beautiful. So it will generate some CSS code and that will be written in CSS file like this. So again, I will open it up with Notepad++ and wait for ChatGPT to generate the code. Now we have something generated by ChatGPT and we'll just copy the code. We'll replace the entire code within the CSS file and go back to this page. If I click on project, nothing is happening, right? And if I see the code for projects, nothing is there. About me is there. Certainly the code has improved, but not what exactly we wanted. At least this is something that is working. Menu, when you click on that, these things appear, and when you click on the particular section, it scrolls to the lowest part. So okay, again I can ask it to add a section, add a new section in the above generated code to showcase mobile app development work. Add some images too, and we'll let ChatGPT to generate some code for us. Okay, so a set of code is generated again, and this time a section is created. So I will just copy the code, go to app.js file, add a section here, and save it to see if the section is added or not. It is added, and I will go back to the code, and also CSS section is created. I will just copy the code, go back to CSS. In the end, I will just paste it to see how it looks. Great. So images are something that are not being showed. So for that, I have opened up my own website, and from there I have just opened these images in new tab so that I get the images, and I will go back to the code, and wherever the image source is written, I will just replace it. Certainly image is something that chat gpt cannot give you, so you have to find your own assets. I'll just copy those things, and I will hope that images will be automatically added to the website that I've created now. Okay, so fine, I've copied the code. Beautiful. So you see the website is created and the sections are getting added. Certainly this doesn't matches this one, so we'll open up some other image. Let me open this one and we'll replace the middle one with that. Awesome, right? So like this, you can create entire website using React.js and ChatGPT. So I hope this video is useful for you. So that's it for today, and we'll see you in another video. Thank you very much.